How to crop a video in Reelshot. Need to focus on just part of the frame? Here's how to crop a video in Reelshot on your iPhone. First, import your video into the new project and wait for it to load. Tap the crop option above the timeline or in the Tools menu. Adjust the cropping frame by dragging the edges or corners to select the desired area. You can also choose preset aspect ratio if needed. When done, preview the cropped result and save your changes. Do you crop videos for social media formats or something else? Let us know in the comments below. Use preset ratios like 9:16 or 1:1 for quick platform ready videos. And that's how you can crop a video in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.